Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. Now let's go over the CVS must-do deals for next week. So these deals are going to start on Sunday the 27th and go through October 3rd. So if there's any deals you want to do from the current week's ads, you want to make sure you get them done by Saturday. Otherwise, you won't be able to get those done, and the new deals start on Sunday. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure you take a second and hit that red subscribe button and the notification bell, so that way when I post new deals or videos or giveaways, you guys will be notified. So couple updates. On Sunday, we are getting 3 inserts. We're getting a Smart Source, a Retail Me Not, and a P&G insert. That is the one that comes with the Tide in certain regions. If your region, like mine, does not come with the Tide, you may want to order some inserts online. I still get that question a lot about where I get my coupon inserts. It's always listed in the description box of every video all the way at the bottom. So if you ever forget, you can always check that description box. There's tons of information in there for you. Some referral codes for all of the different rebate apps that I use, as well as some videos, the Fetch Rewards video, the Ibotta video, all of that, my website, always listed in the description box. So I use BQ Savings and SundayCouponInserts.com to order whole inserts. That way I can grab the ones that have the Tide. PGEveryday.com finally came back where we can print those coupons one time. So that's always a good resource as well. Just be careful with those because the expiration date is always 24 hours after you print it. So you want to make sure that you're printing those the day you're going to use them, so that way you don't waste them, because you're only allowed to print each coupon one time for the month. So let's go ahead and start with our spend 30, get a $10 extra buck deal. This deal is a limit of 1. So one scenario I put together is grabbing one of the Tide 92 ounce. They're $11.94. 3 of the Pantene, the shampoo or conditioner, they are $12. 2 of the Head and Shoulders, they are $12. Total is going to come to $35.94. And this is different. Of course, there's a bunch of different items that are included. Puffs are included as well. Pampers are included. Tide Pods, the smaller Tide liquid as well. So tons of different scenarios you can do. This is just one that I wanted to share with you. The coupons you're going to want to use for this transaction: a $3 Tide coupon from the PG insert, or again, you can print it from that website. The $5 off of 3 Pantene from our PG. We're getting a 3 off of 2 Head and Shoulders from PG as well. A 4 off of 18 hair care CRT if you have it. And a lot of times we'll get a $2 Pantene or Aussie CRT, so definitely add that with this deal. Let's look at the final breakdown. Total is $35.94. Taking off all of those coupons and CRTs, we are at $18.94. Get back a $10 extra buck, making your final cost $8.94 for 6 items, or just $1.49 each. Definitely an amazing deal because that includes the large Tide liquid, the 92 ounces, and your final cost is just $1.49. Of course, you can always pay with extra bucks at CVS. It's not like Walgreens where they have all the different rules and policies. Super easy. So if you wanted to roll $18 in extra bucks, you would pay 94 cents plus taxes out of pocket for this deal, and you're going to get back a $10 extra buck. So that is how you can keep your out of pocket very low at CVS. And of course, you can use Fetch Rewards gift cards like I always do. So my out-of-pocket is 0, which is awesome. Halloween candy. So always what I tell you guys when I'm doing these videos now is head to CVS, make sure that you print out all of your current instant coupons and CRTs. That way you can use them for the following week. A lot of times when we get CRTs or instant coupons like this 2 off of 3, for the Hershey's snack size, that instant coupon is printing the current week. the best deal is to hold them for the following week. And that's typically the rule of thumb. Sometimes, of course, it's not, and it's better to use it the current week. It just depends. That's why I try to post this a little earlier for you all, so that way you still have time to save it if you haven't used it yet. So we want to start stocking up on Halloween candy. So we have some for trick-or-treaters or any parties, anything like that. You're going to grab 3 of the snack size. They are going to be 3 for $9. Then you're going to use that instant coupon from the current week. It prints at the red box inside your CVS. You'll pay $7, get back a $3 extra buck, making your final cost $4 for 3 bags or $1.33 each. So definitely a great, great deal. Eucerin, I'm really excited. We have not had a Eucerin deal in a while. I feel like last year we got this deal back to back for months and months and months, and I had like 20 bottles of Eucerin. Now I have none, so I'm really excited to take advantage of this deal. It's a limit of 1. And it is spend 20, get a $10 extra buck. So what you can do, the cheapest ones is the daily hydration at $10.79 and the skin calming at $9.79. That'll bring you to $20.58. You're going to use 2 of the $2 off Eucerin coupons we're getting in our $9.27 Smart Source insert. Then if you have like a $3.50 off of 10 lotion CRT, definitely add that with this deal. If you happen to have one of those CRTs from the current week and you get another one on Sunday, you can use both of them because we're spending over $20. So 10 plus 10 is 20. Both of those spend amount CRTs would work. But with the current scenario, you'll pay $13.08, get back that $10 extra buck, making your final cost $3.08 for both or $1.54 each. So definitely a great deal. Schick Razors, there are a lot of great deals and razor deals going on next week. So whether you like the non-disposable or the disposable razors, there's 2 different deals that you can take advantage of. So these are buy 2, get a $10 extra back. Currently, right now, we have $4 printable coupons. So the link for that coupon is in the description box. So stop what you're doing, print that coupon right now before it expires. The limit is 2 on that coupon, so you can get that printed twice, use both of them, and make this deal amazing. Then if you have a 5 off of 20 shave CRT, definitely add that with this deal. Typically, there are tons of Schick CRTs going around, like $5 off Schick Hydro or something like that. So check your account, see what you guys have that you can add to easily make this a moneymaker deal. With the current scenario, you'll pay $10.98, get back a $10 extra buck, making your final cost just 98 cents for both or 49 cents each. Here is an amazing freebie for everyone. It is a limit of 1. So when you buy any Sure or Brute deodorant, some stores don't carry Brute, but I think like 90% of them carry the Sure deodorant. So you're going to grab one of them, either or. You can use a $2 extra buck and then you'll get back a $2 extra buck, making it completely free. Love, love, love a good freebie, especially one that doesn't require any CRTs, anything like that. All you have to do, of course, is have a CVS Rewards account. Now for the disposable razors. So if you prefer these, definitely another amazing option. And this one is a limit of 1 as well. So you're going to grab 3 of the disposable razors, 2 Venus, 1 Gillette, or 2 Gillette, 1 Venus, whichever way. They're $7.99 each. Then you're going to use 2 of the Gillette $3 coupons from the PG and 1 of the Venus coupons we're getting in our PG insert. I also have a $3 Gillette disposable razor CRT that printed for me the current week. So I'm going to hold that until next week. If you have a 5 off of 20 shave CRT, you can definitely use that with this deal as well, because the total for all 3 is about $23.97, I believe. So you'll wind up paying $6.97, getting back the $6 extra buck, making your final cost 97 cents for 3 of them, or 33 cents per pack of razors. So doing this deal, that will last you a long time in razors. Dove Hair Care, another instant coupon that printed the current week. I didn't get my Unilever inserts and all of that until Tuesday, I believe. So that's why I couldn't use it on Sunday in my CVS haul video or Monday in my Walgreens video. So it wound up working out because I can use that instant coupon next week for a money maker deal on Dove. You're going to grab 2 of them. They are regular priced, and when you buy 2, you'll get a $3 extra buck. This deal is a limit of 1 as well. So when it says a limit of 1, that just means you can do it 1 time for this week per card, so per extra care card. So if you have an extra care card and your husband has a separate one or your mom has a separate one, you can do it once and your mom can do it once. So that's how that works. So grabbing 2 of them, they're $4.79 each. Use a 3 off of 2 coupon we got in our Unilever insert from last Sunday, the instant coupon, and I have a $2 Dove Hair Care CRT. Definitely add that in. You'll pay $1.58, get back a $3 extra buck, making your final cost completely free and a $1.42 moneymaker. This tracks towards CVS Beauty as well, which will get you closer to an additional $3 beauty buck. Because remember, when you spend $30 on beauty products at CVS, you'll get a $3 beauty buck. That will go on your account within about 48 hours after you check out. Now, Shea Moisture and Love Beauty Planet are any of those. For the hair care is spend $20, get a $10 extra buck. So the deal I put together is grabbing 4 of the Love Beauty Planet shampoos or conditioners. They're $8.99 each. That'll bring you to $35.96. I know that's way over the $20 mark, but we are getting buy one, get one free coupons in our Smart Source insert on Sunday. You can use 2 of them. The limit is 2. Then throw in a 4 off of 18 hair care CRT. You will pay $13.98, get back a $10 extra buck, making it just $3.98 for 4 bottles or 99 cents each. That is incredible. Love Beauty Planet and Shea are very, very expensive. So to go from $8.99 a bottle down to $1 is a great, great deal. Another cheap deal that anyone can do is on Colgate Optic White. So we've been getting a ton of free toothpaste the current week at Walgreens. We've had some amazing deals at CVS as well. Next week, there's not as many great oral care deals. Next week, the most amazing deals are on the hair care. Tons and tons of hair care deals next week. So if you need some toothpaste, I would definitely stock up the current week. But you can still grab a Colgate Optic White for just 99 cents. Again, visit the Redbox Coupon Center. There is a $2 instant coupon that's going to print, and they're $3.49 next week. We're also getting a send to card coupon. This symbol here means we're going to get a digital coupon. So it's probably going to be for 50 cents because that is the manufacturer coupon coming out in our Sunday paper. Final cost is just 99 cents. So a great, great deal. So those are all of the must-do deals for next week. There are so many more deals going on. I am going to be doing, of course, a huge haul on Sunday. If you guys have any questions or anything, of course, drop a comment below. Let me know. Don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up for me, and I will see you guys next time.